This is how I get
You got
job.
BPP mein, there are 14,000 Indian students who came. Too many Indians. Is that
It's all about the perspective.
वीडियो टाइटल भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का
these guys are fun and not taking life too seriously?
सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकता.
It's important how you guys are building your network. Certain universities, I find they enable building networks much more. I'm not sure about समझने में,
Most
settle होने में.
important thing you need is a communication skill.
इनके पास अगर स्पॉन्सरशिप है तो आपके पास इनकी दोस्ती है. She can try and refer you.
I can try and refer them for my sponsorship. If
No,
they
she-
behave
she
good
is
with
nice.
me,
You need to behave. We had another round of conversation. That was a fantastic, quite positive vibe and positive review for BPP University. But that's authentic, unfiltered, all for you guys.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ घूमा हूँ. अभी हम लोग कल पोर्ट्समाउथ जा रहे हैं, फिर बर्मिंघम जा रहे हैं, फिर लेस्टर एंड देन एडिनबरा. तो I think there are certain universities where I find students have better employment.
yeah.
And there are certain universities I found where students are better aware. So this student I know, I was telling you about, he's from Birmingham City University, but he did a lot of his research on his own. So I think that is also it's important how you guys are building your network. Certain universities I find they enable building networks much more. I'm not sure about BPP. It's my first time actually. I heard about this university.
It really helped to making network. We have a career advisor named Laila.
Yeah.
She really help us to know the big names and the company where we can make network and
Even they
get a
arrange
job.
webinars like weekly classes
Like every-
for that
every
to guide students.
Every
for their
week we
better
have a
future and
webinar
better
for
career.
our
how to build
career.
a career in this
So your
field.
career team is strong and they are very
Yeah,
very
they are
active.
supportive. Yeah.
So overall, if you have to say, you had certain thought in mind of coming to UK, studying at
Yeah.
BPP University.
We get
For
better
education-
reality check here.
तो एक रियलिटी चेक मिला. रियलिटी चेक में नंबर 1 है कि जॉब मिलना बड़ा मुश्किल है.
Yeah, there is very different. If you don't have a good connection, it's not
Backup for
possible.
3 months.
3-4 महीने का बैकअप लेके आना है. अगर
Meanwhile you will make network and you will
3-4 महीने लगेंगे नेटवर्क बनने में, रेफरल बनाने में, समझने में,
Most
सेटल होने
important
में.
thing you need is a communication skills. If you want to come here, you need good communication
इसके पास
skills.
ऑलरेडी स्पॉन्सरशिप भी है.
she has
You
Actually,
can say that.
actually she has
No, see, I think आप भी अपने नेटवर्क को यूज करके where you can
Yeah.
find that opportunity, find that job. That is what is useful. आपके पास, इनके पास अगर स्पॉन्सरशिप है तो आपके पास इनकी दोस्ती है. She can try and refer you.
I can try and refer them for my sponsorship. If
No,
they
she-
behave
she
good
is
with
nice.
me,
You need to behave.
behave well,
ऐसे करोगे तो पक्का नहीं मिलने वाला है. तुम्हारी
they need
हरकतों
to
से
score
नहीं.
good marks in my eyes.
In her eyes, not in the
Then I will think if I want them to sponsor or not.
but nobody want
That's your choice. I am not forcing
it's just her
anyone.
job she is a nice girl
तो आई थिंक अच्छे दोस्तों की दोस्ती है. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग टाइम यार. एंड आई होप इफ एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू काइंड ऑफ कनेक्ट, I'll also make sure you speak to this gentleman. He can also help you navigate a lot of information around healthcare jobs. He did his master's in public health, so he had a similar program but not really healthcare leadership. According to him and what I've understood from him is that you can actually find a lot of opportunities beyond just NHS. So my suggestion would be think beyond. If you would like to connect, just share with one of you can share your details with me, and then I'll make the connections.
Yeah.
Yes, the
Yeah, we
Chandigarh
can
guy.
share our details.
2-3 of you.
Yes.
And then you can add even more students of your class.
So don't edit our part
Don't edit.
Please
हमारा-
include us.
yes. Don't worry. We are making on every university.
little part if you are
No. We
so long
If you will go to my channel, you will find so many students. A lot of students I met last year. This year again we invited them just to have a chit chat to understand how they were feeling 1 year back.
absolutely we will meet again
We'll meet again. So now that's why I take your Instagram so that I can reach out to you.
I would like to invite
Uh.
you second time.
No,
We
definitely.
would
I
like
think
to get invite from you.
we had a similar friend group like you guys at University of Greenwich, and their video went viral. So that's our most watched video.
टाइटल
Right.
वीडियो टाइटल भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का
That is why we had a good party
Yeah.
to celebrate with them. I hope this one video will, if you guys would love it, you will watch it. We'll come back next year and have a good party with all of you too. So these guys are fun. These guys are trying to be real and not taking life too seriously. I think that's important because stress बहुत होता है. मजे नहीं करोगे तो फिर दब जाएंगे.
survive नहीं कर सकता.
But that's good, friends.
We have friends like some.
We have a good friend circle. They are very supportive.
But इसका एक दिक्कत है. ये रात में नहीं दिखता है.
And as a girl, I feel safe.
और एक दिक्कत आपको
Nice guys.
बताऊंगा मैं.
So they are supportive.
Yeah. But you have students from all other countries also. उनके साथ भी आप लोग की दोस्ती
we
रहती
have
है.
friends with them in a class.
Yeah.
There are more countries like Nigeria, Kenyans, and Pakistanis also.
Yeah.
But we live in the class. We have a group activity, so we have to get divided in a different group. So we have a chit chat and all. And after class, we talk with professors also about the futures and how to get their personal experiences, how you came here and what is your experience about this life. And they share their experience with us also. So it's been a good. Our class is very supportive and communicative. So we got a good response from the other students also. Yeah, we could say that.
One thought that here BPP में there are 14,000 Indian students who came
Yeah.
year before. Too many Indians or too many South Asians. Is that
It's all about the perspective. If you want to communicate with other people, South Indian is also nice. So I have.
when I say South Indian, I mean like India, Pakistan,
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
No,
इसी इलाके के ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं.
Yeah.
बाकी
There
countries
most
से
of the
लोग नहीं
people
हैं.
have Pakistanis and Indians, but they also have Nigerians and Nigerians people and Kenya people,
Right.
and they are also good with us. Not that much, but I have seen that people are increasing in the like Bangladesh or Kenya or Nigeria.
Right.
Yeah. So,
So
they
बाकी
are-
countries के भी there are students who are
Yeah,
there.
there are
They're
students
coming.
who are there.
So you get to interact with some of them. You
Yeah.
also have faculty I saw from different
Yeah.
countries.
Yeah. The previously you meet the professor. She is from the Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she is from here like 8 years.
Right.
So she shared her experience how he came here and all.
So overall, just in a summary, one last thing, you would recommend your friends to come to BPP University?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend. If you have a good communication skills and a good reference, then you definitely should come. You need to come here with the perspective that I can do this or I have to be there. This is the only way you can live here because London is an expensive
city.
And you have to manage your finances first.
Yes.
So you need to learn how to manage your funds and all. That's the only thing you can survive. And the second thing is communication. You have to, here people are very talkative. You need to talk with them. So there is you need to make.
No,
a
I saw that all of
networks.
you guys were like really chirpy and talkative. So I think at least that confidence is there.
Yeah.
So I think that's half the battle won.
Yeah.
So
Communication is the key. If you
Yeah.
communicate confidently with other people, they will I got the job like this when I was traveling, and I talked with my one of the passenger facing this
Yeah.
issue financially. She asked me, "Why are you sad?" And I told her that I am student and my fund is almost over and I need to get a job. So she told me, "Don't worry, I will recommend you in my shop." And she recommended, and the next day I got the call from them that we wants to do interview for you. And this is how I get job.
you got job.
Yeah.
So I think that's fantastic. Thank you so much. I know your friends have gone.
They are crazy.
Yeah. So, but thank you so much. Have a good day. So that's it, guys. So do subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about studying in UK and how to build a career and the reality behind different universities and programs. So that is me, Piyush Bhartiya, your study abroad coach, signing out from London.